is obliged to act on the directive of the International Court of Justice. And International Court of Justice, if you have seen this press release, it is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. And the verdict is binding upon them. And I think now it is time for them to act. You know, Pakistan has been asked and they have to now deliver immediately. We said that yesterday, that they have to act and deliver, as per the Vienna Convention, whatever is required to Mr. Jadhav, and also access by our consular officers to go and meet Mr. Jadhav. You see, we have seen reports of the arrest of Hafiz Saeed by Pakistani authorities. India has long maintained that the United Nations Security Council, UNSC 1267, provisions pertaining to listing and proscription of known terrorist entities and individuals must be effectively and sincerely enforced by all member states. Now, all of you know that this has been going on for a long time. You see, arrest, release, and I think after every major terrorist incident which he perpetrates in India, I think he has been arrested and he has been then released on some grounds or the other. And this drama, to my count, I think it has been more than 8 times since 2001. We have seen this drill. The question is whether this time this will be more than a cosmetic exercise, whether Hafiz Saeed will be tried and sentenced for his terrorist activities. We reiterate that Hafiz Saeed is a designated terrorist. We all know that he is a mastermind of Mumbai terror attacks and is listed by the United Nations Sanctions Committee under the UNSC Resolution 1267. Effective action mandated internationally against Hafiz Saeed and his terrorist organization is an obligation on part of all UN states, including Pakistan. He also carries a reward of US $10 million under US law. Hafiz Saeed and his front organizations, LET and JUD, recruit and train hundreds and thousands of persons and motivate and indoctrinate them on a violent agenda against India. The FATF has drawn attention to the clear evidence that the organizations supported by Hafiz Saeed continue to be involved in supporting and financing terrorist activities. Pakistan's sincerity to take action against terrorists and terror groups will be judged on the basis of their ability to demonstrate verifiable, credible, and irreversible action against terrorists and to disrupt and dismantle terror groups operating from their soil. We hope that this time Hafiz Saeed will be brought to justice. On the tweet by President Trump, I think you have to see this in the context of the cooperation which India and US have enjoyed on counterterrorism. If you look at the joint statement, last joint statement which was agreed to during the visit of Prime Minister to the United States, and there are some very strong paragraphs. For example, one paragraph says the leaders called on Pakistan to ensure that its territory is not used to launch terrorist attacks on another countries. They further called on Pakistan to expeditiously bring to justice the perpetrators of the 26/11 Mumbai, Pathankot and other cross-border terrorist attacks perpetrated by Pakistan-based groups. There is a preceding paragraph which actually mentions our commitment to fight terror threats emanating from groups like Al-Qaeda, ISIS, Jaish-e-Mohammed, LET, D Company and their affiliates. So I think this cooperation, and this tweet has to be seen in the context of global cooperation, a global kind of coming together in the fight against terrorism. And India and US, we have been working very closely on this. Our agencies are working very closely to counter terrorism, and we are also in regular touch with the US side on this matter. देखिए, हमने इस रिपोर्ट देखी है जिसमें हाफिज सईद अरेस्ट हुए हैं, और हमारा ये मानना है कि जो यूएनएससी का प्रोविज़न है 1267, उसके खिलाफ जितने भी टेररिस्ट एंटिटीज़ हैं और इंडिविजुअल्स हैं, उनके खिलाफ जो मेंबर स्टेट्स हैं उनको एक्शन लेना चाहिए। ये पहली बार नहीं है कि हाफिज सईद अरेस्ट हुए हैं, इसके पहले काफ़ी बार वो अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं और हम ये देखते आए हैं कि जब भी वो अरेस्ट होते हैं कुछ महीने बाद, कभी कुछ दिनों बाद वो रिहा हो जाते हैं किसी ग्राउंड पे। सवाल ये है कि इस बार जो उनकी गिरफ्तारी हुई है, इस बार पाकिस्तान कितना सीरियस है, इस बार वो उनको ट्राई करके कोर्ट के द्वारा सेंटेंस करेगा या नहीं करेगा, पाकिस्तान इस पर कितनी सिंसियरिटी दिखाता है, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है इस बार देखना। जहाँ तक हाफिज सईद का सवाल है, आपको पता है कि वो उसका फ्रंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लश्कर ए तौयबा है, जेयूडी है, और ये हज़ारों की संख्या में लोगों को ट्रेन करते हैं कि भारत में जाके आप दहशतगर्दी फैलाएं। और इस बारे में जो FATF में जो मेंशन है इसका, उन्होंने भी इसका जिक्र किया है कि कैसे इनकी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है कैसे वो टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी को सपोर्ट करती है। हमारी मांग रही है कि जो पाकिस्तान का एक्शन है वो वेरीफाइबल हो, इरिवर्सिबल हो और क्रेडिबल हो, जिसको हम देख सकें, और जब वो एक्शन लेंगे ऐसा तो हमें पता चल जाएगा। अभी तक हमें नहीं लग रहा है कि जो भी एक्शन लेते हैं उसमें कोई सिंसियरिटी है, इसके पीछे कुछ और कारण है। कभी कभी इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिटी को बताना हो जाता है कि हम इस मामले में कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं, बट मुझे लगता है कि दिखावटी कार्रवाई करना